Alright guys, we have made it to Lithia where we're gonna go see if we can ride a monster truck. Got my best friend Rob in the car. What up, Rob?
Not much.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
There you go. So I got the boy in the back. Say hi, buddy. Alright, we're gonna go see if we can ride a monster truck. So stay tuned, it's gonna be exciting. Let's go, Rob. Let's go! Guys, we just saw the monster truck, and so we're walking through the parking lot right here. You excited, Rob?
Hell yeah!
Hope we can ride this thing. It's pretty big. Ready, buddy? All right, let's go see what we can get. All right, guys, this truck's coming around over here. If you guys can see it. That's a big guy. Guys, here it is. Check it out.
Take a picture of it too. You take a picture of it?
No, I'm taking some video. All right, we're about to board it. Ready, buddy?
That was awesome.
Come on, bud. Let's go up. Up. All right, guys, we're climbing in the truck. Oh, look, there's a dog.
Oh, dog?
Uh-oh. How's it going?
Good.
All right.
Put a seatbelt on in the back there.
All right, guys, we're on the truck. Hi, Rob.
Hi.
You excited? Look, buddy, we're on the monster truck. Oh, here we go. Woo! Yeah! Oh, dude. There's a radio station. What do you think, bud? Whoa! Yeah! Is that fun? We're in a monster truck, buddy. Woohoo! Whoa!
That's awesome.
We win!
Yeah. Woohoo!
What? We're almost done. We're good. Nice. What do you think, man? Love it? Go, yeah!
He's a little scared, Justin.
Woohoo! Oh man, this is great. Look at the dog just sitting there having fun.
He has a choice. He can sit there and have fun.
All right, guys, that was incredible. Now we're climbing out. Did you like that, Rob?
Oh yeah.
Come on, buddy. Oh man.
Awesome.
Woo! Oh, we gotta get a picture of this thing for a thumbnail.
He just flips the switch here. I would love to take Bailey on that. She would be scared of shit. That is cool.
Ready? Here he comes, Dim Dim.
That has some serious tires, dude. Holy crap.
Seen that, Justin.
All right, guys, we just got done riding in the monster truck. That was insane, wasn't it, Rob?
Oh yeah.
That was like the coolest thing. I've never ridden in one. They've had them at the monster truck shows before, but there's such big lines that we never were able to ride in it. So Landon got to ride in it. Was that fun, buddy? Yeah. He was a little bit scared, but he loves big trucks, so that was awesome. Rob, tell me what you thought.
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
Oh yeah.
So that was pretty sick. All right, we're gonna go find something else to do now. All right, guys, we are going to go eat at Long John Silver's, which is inside of what restaurant do you not like, Rob?
KFC.
KFC.
Here it is.
Hi, Ben. Hi, Rob.
Hi.
Anyways, and then we got the wife. Hi, Abby. Really? Stop it! Didn't say hi.
She always puts the camera.
All right, we're gonna go eat some food, and then we're gonna come back and play some more cards.
Well,
What,
at least she
buddy?
doesn't cuss at the camera,
At least.
right?
Wow, Rob! I'm sorry, they don't know how to do proper camera etiquette.
you move it up, dude.
Like, see, my friends are all shorter than me. Look at how short this guy is. He's like,
Gosh.
right? Look, see? Short. Even shorter. Little tiny midgets. That's what I get to work around.
Even Zach's shorter than you.
He is.
I'm sure you too.
But she's bigger than you. Oh!
Hey, what's with fat
And
jokes,
Ben.
man?
That wasn't a fat joke! That meant I should have said taller. Alright, she's still taller than all my friends, so. She trumps them all.
Fat joke.
Let's go eat.
Besides Zach, I think Zach's taller than you.
Oh, we got our food. The delicious chicken. Oh, really? This is fish. She got the chicken. He's got his chicken, popcorn chicken, and a fry. And Rob's food is here. Oh, what'd you get, buddy?
I don't know. It's fish.
Full I'm good. Looks like fish.
You have to YouTube everything.
Yeah, dude.
Here's
mine.
mine.
There you go. Actually, I haven't done a vlog in 2 weeks. Hey, bro. Alright, time to eat some chicken. I mean, wow, I keep calling this chicken.
No.
Yeah, thanks, Rob.
I ain't gonna do it for you.
Have the tea.
Yes, dear. So we just got back home from eating some delicious fish, and now it's pouring rain.
Yeah, it
He's got to wear his little jacket.
Seahawks.
Go Seahawks! Anyways, guys, so this is like the first big rain we've had in months. And there's fires everywhere, so hopefully this rain puts out the fire, because today was pretty smoky, right, Rob?
Yeah, it was.
It was. So hopefully this rain helps put out some fires. But look at this. We haven't had good rain in a long time.
Yes.
All right, so we'll see how long this rain lasts. Smells good though. Zach is on his way. He's gonna be the designated driver tonight because me and Rob want to have a couple drinks while we're at the casino. So always be responsible. Don't drink and drive, and just don't drink and drive, right, Rob?
That's right.
That's right. All right, so I want to show you guys this picture I have on my
That's
wall.
what that big battery's for.
No, really? All right, so here's a picture on my wall of me, Rob, and Trenton when we were all in high school and super young. So check out this picture, guys. If you can see it really well. Yeah, look at that. Us young little guys. That was like almost that was about almost 10 years ago, wasn't that?
Longer than that. Like probably 11 years ago.
So, yeah, that's a long time ago. So we've been friends since we were teenagers, so yeah. This guy is literally one of my top best friends besides Ben, and he's in the bathroom, so we gotta kind of be quiet. So he's my best friend. Okay, Ben's my other best friend, but this is my best friend.
That's right. That's right.
I'll drink to that. All right, so anyways, like I said, Ben's here, and Zach's on his way, so we're gonna have a fun night. Hopefully win some money, right?
That's right.
Right?
That's right.
He's an ace at game playing at the casino on the card tables, so he's gonna give me some tips, pointers, and we're gonna go there and try to
We
own
will
the
win
joint.
tonight. We will win tonight.
At least $100 each is the goal, and I'm going with $20.
You're gonna need a lot of help on that one, my friend.
Hey, I've gotten 50 before,
You're
so I
gonna
can
need a lot
double
of
it.
help
I'll
on
just
that
go
one.
all in, $50,
All right.
double it, $100, boom.
All right.
So, anyways, we'll see if anything else happens. We'll jump in with the vlog, and you guys can see us there, because I don't think we can film in the casino.
No, because they will take your phone away.
Exactly. So we're not gonna do that.
Nope.
But we'll figure it out. Hey, we should play a prank on Ben. How's it going in there, Ben? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Just checking up on you, buddy. Alright. Alright, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, we're on our way home right now, leaving the casino. I'm leaving a winner. Ben's leaving a winner. Rob.
Loser. That's okay.
He's a winner anyways, but not not at the tables today. Behind us is the big Eagle S7 Feathers. Boo. Thanks for driving us, Zach.
Yeah.
You're the guy, dude.
Thanks.
I owe you a drive.
Yeah.
Anywhere you want to go, except the coast.
Okay.
Or-
I request we go to New York.
All right, New York it is. It's a long drive. Wow.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Okay, anyways.
On the way, you can drop them off at the titty bar.
Oh, the titty bar.
Oh, give me lots.
Hey, let's go there right now, guys.
I wish
Guys
I
night
wish
after
there
all.
was
Rob, you ready for this?
what's it called? Hooters.
Titty day, any day, any time.
Zach's beautiful car. All right, let's get out of here.